Most important MCQ. UGC NET Anthropology. Welcome to AnthroNet Academy, a study aligned with the UGC NET Anthropology syllabus. Description box. Please visit the description box for books references. Dear learners, if you find this content helpful, please consider subscribing to AnthroNet Academy. Your support really means a lot and keeps me motivated to create more valuable content for you. Question 1. Immediate response on exposure to cold environment involves A. Thermogenesis, B. Vasodilation, C. Homeostasis, D. Vasoconstriction. Answer: vasoconstriction. Question 2. Peak height velocity during adolescence indicates A. Intensity of spurt, B. Rate of growth, C. Timing of adolescent spurt, D. All of the above. Answer: D. Question 3. The progressional change from an undifferentiated state to highly specialized state is known as B. Growth, C. Maturation, D. Regionalization. Answer: A. Question 4. Who among the following feminist anthropologists gave the concept of muted group referring to women? A. H. L. Moore, B. Sherry Ortner, C. Edwin Ardiner, D. Eleanor Leacock. Answer: C. Question 5. In her book, Pattern of Culture, Ruth Benedict discusses the cultures of A. Zuni, Greek, Dobu, B. Zuni, Omaha, Dobu, C. Kwakintal, Dobu, Hopi, D. Zuni, Kwakintal, Dobu. Answer: D. Question 6. First-hand personal study of local settings is referred to as A. Ethnology, B. Ethnoscience, C. Ethnography, D. Ethnohistory. Answer: C. Question 7. Unilineal kin group is characterized by A. Their size, B. Their corporate character, C. Their utility in emergency situation, D. Their amorphous character. Answer: sad face B. Question 8. Who among the following is a consanguineal kin? A. Father's young brother, B. Wife's sister, C. Wife's brother, D. Sister's husband. Answer: A. Question 9. Who among the following advocated a fourfold approach that divided anthropology into cultural anthropology, physical anthropology, archaeology, and linguistics? A. Bronislaw Malinowski, B. Franz Boas, C. A. R. Radcliffe Brown, D. Marcel Mauss. Answer: B. Question 10. Who among the following has made the statement? Anthropology is the science of human similarities and differences. A. A. L. Krotbar, B. A. R. Radcliffe Brown, C. M. J. Herskowitz, D. Clyde Kluckhohn. Answer: D. Question 11. What are the main tool types that characterize Upper Paleolithic in Europe? A. Backed blades, B. Chopper/chopping, C. Microliths, D. Side scraper. Answer: A. Question 12. Which one of the following research methods is best suited to study the processual aspect of political organization? A. Key informant interview, B. Extended case study method, C. Participant observation, D. Focus group discussion. Answer: B. Question 13. The inheritance rule that makes the eldest child, usually the eldest son, the only heir. A. Primogeniture, B. Ultimogeniture, C. Equigeniture. D. None of the above. Answer A. Question 14. Which one of the following best describes the custom by which a widower marries the sisters of the deceased wife? A. Sororit. B. Levirate. C. Polygyny. D. Plural marriage. Answer A. Question 15. Levalloisian technique appears for the first time in which of the following cultural traditions? A. Azilo-Tardenoisian. B. Aurignacian. C. Maglemosian. D. Acheulean. Answer D. Question 16. Which one of the following regions shows Stellenbosch culture? B. Central Europe. C. South Africa. D. East Africa. Answer D. Question 17. Acheulean culture heralds the beginning of which of the following techniques? A. Block-on-block technique. B. Cylinder hammer technique. C. Pressure flaking technique. D. Punching technique. Answer B. Question 18. Forensic anthropology. A. Is a field of applied physical anthropology. B. Specializes in identification of human skeleton remains for legal purposes. C. Specializes in identification of murder victims, age, sex, and ethnicity. D. All of the above. Answer D. Question 19. Who among the following wrote the book, Human Heredity? A. Montague. B. R.H. Lowy. C. E.A. Hobel. D. A.M. Bruce. Answer A. Question 20. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion, A, and the other is labeled as reason, R. Assertion, A. In a population at genetic equilibrium, both gene and genotype frequencies remain constant from one generation to next. Reason, our genetic equilibrium results in the presence of microevolutionary forces. Codes. A is correct, but R is false. B. Both A and R are correct. C. A is false, but R is correct. D. Both A and R are false. Answer A. Question 21. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion, A, and the other is labeled as reason, R. Assertion, A. Anthropologists distinguish between the family of orientation formed when one marries and has children, and family of procreation, the family in which one is born and grows up. Reason, are from individual's point of view. The critical relationships are with spouse and children in the family of orientation and with parents and siblings in the family of procreation. Based on the above statement, choose the correct answer code. Codes. A. Both A and R are correct. B. A is correct and R is wrong. C. A is wrong and R is correct. D. Both A and R are wrong. Answer D. Question 22. Assertion, A. Early states are formed during Chalcolithic period. Reason, R. This was mainly possible for the rise of professionals. Codes. A. Both A and R are correct. B. Both A and R are incorrect. C. A is correct, R is incorrect. D. A is incorrect, R is correct. Answer A. Question 23. Match an item in list I with an item in list 2. Use the codes given below. List I, list 2. A. Bushman I, fishing. B. Newer 2. Gathering. C. Quaketal 3. Horticulturists. D. Kutkaru 4. Pastoralism. Codes. A, B, C, D. A. I324. B. 43I2. C. 324I. D. 24I3. Answer D. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, AnthroNet Academy, for more insightful content on anthropology. Stay safe and connected.